Okay guys, well it's Thursday, August 13th, 2026, and we are about 24 hours away from Tropical Storm LALA hitting. We're also under hurricane watch if she strengthens. So the rush is on to get the property ready. We got stuff everywhere, building materials, tents, lawnmowers, cars, trailers, pieces of roof. So everything basically needs to be tied down, stacked somewhere. We just built this chicken coop over here. It's not anchored. We need to anchor that down. What I'm really worried about is my little tiny house project where the gable ends are still open. I'm gonna try to make progress on that today, but it's such slow going. There's so much cuts and angles. It looks like a small space, but it's a lot of work to finish that. And then there's some openings still inside that just are not going to get finished today, but we're just going to have to hope for the best. And I really wanted to get up on the roof and check some of those roof vents and just check everything over, but it drizzled overnight, so everything's wet right now. That's a metal roof, so I'm not going to get up there right now. I'm going to hope for the sun to strengthen, and it looks like it is. It looks like we're going to have a nice day. And so then I'll climb up there and kind of check everything. But kind of a crazy day. I'll probably spend most of my time on that project, and then yeah, the rest of the day we'll just pick stuff up, and I'm gonna try to kind of update what's happening here. So we're looking directly east. This is Hilo in Hawaii on the Big Island, and we're gonna watch this thing. It's about 500 miles east right now, east southeast, and it's coming this way. So we're probably gonna go shopping still and get some extra food and supplies. We have lots of propane. We just don't know what it's gonna do. Hopefully it's just a strong storm. But up here on the hill, we're at 1,200 foot elevation on a fairly small road that gets a lot of landslides. So it's almost 100% that we're not gonna have power no matter what. And who knows, we could be stuck here for a few days. So we just want to be ready. And yeah, I'm gonna just be picking up like all this plywood and anything that can fly through a window. But once you start looking around, it's a lot. It's a whole day's work. So luckily it's beautiful. It's not raining yet. All right, guys. Oh yeah, so Free Spirits in Honolulu, about 200 miles away. She's on her mooring, and I'm gonna hope for the best on that too. So there's not much I can do. But yeah, we're gonna secure all this stuff. This is all stuff that can fly around. Make room for my Jeep to park right here. Let's get going. We've got so much exposed roof that they're just such big surfaces. They're a little scary. If there was a strong wind, you could really see this stuff tearing off. Nothing has hurricane ties on it. The lanai over there too, but that one's all tied in. So we shall see. These surfboards probably need to go. Yeah, this is all plastic corrugated. This is a tree I cut down the other day. I might as well just get rid of it while we're at it. We use this little corner basically as a green waste dump, and it just kind of composts in there. And yeah, I don't know, this tent probably needs to go, but then the lawnmowers are not protected, so that's kind of a tough call. Okay, this little roof definitely needs to go. Drop my saw up here. It's getting a little dark out there. Looks like it's gonna rain. Yeah, so again, it's Thursday morning, and the storm's projected to hit tomorrow night. But I'm sure we'll see some stuff tomorrow afternoon already.